My contact lenses are really disturbing. Hi everyone and welcome to a smoking Wednesday. I think I should have waited till Sunday. Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, hi, welcome, join the enthusiasm, subscribe. So in today's video, I am going to create a very smoky eye, like intense smoky eye, and very nude lips, obviously, because the combination is the best party wear look. I think I've not done this kind of a look before. I've done an Indian wedding guest look which had like sparkly smoky eyes and pink lips, but yes, then this is completely different. This is going to be completely nude with really intense black, like darkness. And one more thing, you guys, this look is going to be matte. Not all, I will use like a little bit of luminosity, but yes, all in all, it's going to be matte. So yes, without any further chatting and without any further bare face, let's snap right into the tutorial. This was not a good idea. So today I just want my eyeshadow to stick really properly to my eyes. So I need an eyeshadow base instead of a concealer. Obviously I am going to use a concealer too because naturally my eyelids are very brown, I think. First of all, I'm just going to use this NYX Proof It waterproof eyeshadow primer. Just like that. Oh, this is going to be like really sticky, dude. Now let it sit over there for like 2 minutes because it's like very oily and I want it to get absorbed. So once it has dried and settled, I am going to use a concealer. I'm not going to use this concealer. Next, I am going to use my Fit Me concealer. Oh my god, my eyelid is like sticking. So that base is very tacky and I don't want it to be that tacky, so I'm just going to set it with a powder, just a little bit. And for that I am going to use my Fit Me powder. The first shade that I'm going to take is going to be my transition shade. So all my dirty brushes, let's get ready. I don't know when am I going to get the time to wash my brushes. I am just going to take a very fluffy blending brush and cleaning it with my hands as much as I can. But I would really recommend you to use like clean, very clean brushes. See, I cannot even say the word clean. And first of all, I am going to take this Lemonade Craze palette by Maybelline and I am going to take the shade Sweet Tea. So I'm slowly going to apply this into my crease and lightly build it up, like really lightly into your crease, right into your crease. Don't go very high above, then you will not have the area to blend it. Your eyeshadow will start touching your eyebrows, which is not like the perfect thing to do. So just stay like very low. So now I'm going to take a really pointed blending brush and dirty, but you should not take a dirty one. Next I'm going to take the Maybelline City Mini palette. I don't know why am I getting all the Maybellines today. But yes, this is the City Mini palette and this one is in the shade Chill Brunch Neutrals and I'm going to take this shade. Next I am going to apply this, like I am going to start very close to my eyelid. I am just like just stepping into my crease a little bit. So I'm just starting from here. To and fro. I'm just taking the black shade and let's try out. Like first of all, let's tap off the excess. That's like trying to blend it. Alright, looks like okay-ish. So first of all, I'm just like laying the black on. It's not my crease where I'm laying it on, actually. It's actually my eyelid, but not my eyelid too. It's a little bit in my crease also. So I kind of messed up with that eye, so I am just continuing with this eye. Right now I'm blending it, and this is like a really cheap brush, but it's really very useful. It's such a good brush. So this is the Vega eyeshadow brush, and it's so damn fluffy. So I'm just blending out my crease with this, like just uniform. It should look like very uniform, you know. Once that is blended, we want it to look more dark. I am going to take a gel eyeliner for that, and I am using the Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner. It looks something like this. It will give us that intense black color. We're gonna go on the waterline too. We don't want that gel eyeliner to like transfer, because you know I have hooded eyes, so it can transfer. So for setting it, I am taking a brush and I'm just gonna like press the black color on the eyeliner. First of all, I am just taking this MAC Prep Plus Prime, and I'm just going to take it on a sponge because I don't want to like throw it on my face. And I'm just going like into my pores. Now for foundation, I am going to take my Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation by Maybelline, and this one is in the shade 312 Golden. After foundation, I'm just going to take my LA Girl concealer. Now let's set this face. So right now I have my Fit Me powder in front of me, so I'm just going to use that quickly. Smile lines. First of all, I'm just taking my transition shade again, and let's blend it. So I'm just taking this kind of a Morphe brush, you can see, and I'm just like taking the transition again, and I'm just like going into my lower lash. Now once that is done, I am going to take the brown shade from the City Mini palette on the same brush. We're gonna take the black shade and just like on the outside and blend it towards the inner corner. Next, you're gonna take a kohl pencil, and I'm just taking this Kajal Magique by L'Oreal. Corner to connect. This shade from the City Mini palette by Maybelline, and just a little bit in the inner corner. I hope it works. Once that is done, next I think I am gonna apply some false eyelashes. Obviously I do not need an eyeliner because the black. So I'm just gonna pop these on and then I'll be back. So let's complete the face and my hair, you guys. No. So let's bronze the face, and for that I'm using my Bahama Mama bronzer by Balm. Don't sneeze. Stop sneezing. Oh shit. As I said, it's going to be all matte look, so we're not going to use a highlight today. I'm going to use a blush topper. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush topper in Pearlescent pink. Okay, who am I kidding? I am just going to highlight. Like, this is obviously going to add glow. You can see like it's got some shine. You can just skip the highlighter. I'm just doing it because I love it. I can't think of a makeup look without a highlighter. Although there can be one, but I can't think of it. So I'm just like applying a teeny bit. Yeah. First I'm going to line my lips. That looks lined a little bit. Alright, so first of all I'm going to apply the shade Trendsetter only. We're going to tone it down, I think, because it's very warm. Now just to tone it down a little bit, I am going to add a cool shade, which is the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark, and this is like a very cool toned brown. This mixing them together can make like a neutral brown shade for me. So I am going to use the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in Girlfriend. Press it in. Alright, that looks perfect. Natural finish. What the fuck? I don't want this. Whoa. That was the Smoky Eye and Nude Lips look. I hope you liked it, and I hope it's not out of fashion. It's not pretty easy to blend it out, to be honest, but yes, it will be easy if you like give it a little time. Really? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to my channel, and please subscribe, you guys, because we are about to reach 1000 subscribers. Okay, I take that back. Do not forget to hit that notification bell, and if you really like this video, then please share this video.